Hello, today we are going to solve the problem with the Airmatic function is not working, and sometimes the levels for the car is not functioning. Sometimes the front I have in my car, the front is not balanced, and I got an error always on the dashboard, which is called ABC active body control. So sometimes the button air comfort is not working, but the sport is working. So in that case we have also a malfunction error for the Airmatic. We are going to check the leaks, but I think there is something in the filter. The Airmatic filter is clogged or something. If you want to remove the Airmatic filter, you don't have to remove the front bumper. As you know, we have Mercedes S Class W221. So if you want to remove the Airmatic filter, you don't have to remove the front bumper, and I have a solution for that. You just remove the plastic for protecting it from water here. You have to remove the 1 bolt and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and also you have to make sure to remove also the 2 bolts here. Then after removing it, you have to also to remove the 2 bolts here for the module, steering module, hydraulic steering module. You have to remove the 2 bolts here, then get away this, and you have also, and after this you can see there is a way we can remove the Airmatic. The Airmatic was here attached, so if you want to remove it, you have to remove also the first clip. It was like this, just remove the 1 bolt, and then you can remove the filter. And also there is a plastic pipe attached to it. It should be inside like this. I noticed that there is a leak or something. This was not attached properly, so I think I have also to clean my filter first using vinegar oil and some water, then leave it for 1 hour, then after that install it again. And also I have to make sure that the pipe is inside properly here attached. Okay. Hey guys, again, now we are attempting to clean the Airmatic filter by some detergent, cleaning detergent, then soak it inside, and once it's full you can shake it like this, and you can notice that there is a lot of oil and dust are coming out. After this we have to vacuum it to make it properly cleaned, and I will use the blower, the hair blower, to make it dry. Hi guys, today we have disassembled the Airmatic pump which caused the error malfunction to lift the car for Mercedes S Class W221. And so basically sometimes before you can see that the car is being lifted but not as fast as possible, and until the airmatic pump will be worn out completely. So today I'm going to disassemble all the airmatic pump and to see if there is some kind of issue I can fix it. And here is the positive, okay, on the right side, and the other one is negative. And this one is for the releasing valve, releasing the air from the car, and this one for doing the pump inside the car. You see also here is the input. Here the airmatic pump can take the air through the pipe and have a filter, and inside here you can see here the air will come out to inside the car. So the output is here and the other input is here. So now let's see what is the problem inside. Hello guys again. Oh my god, when I was trying to open this bob, it came out like the like the air was trapped inside it, and bob, if when I opened it, it comes out. So we need now to diagnose and the problem. I think there is a lot of rust inside it, and also I checked the moisture filter. The moisture filter seems to also be clogged. I will clean this, then reinstall it again. Okay, and I will see now what is the problem. So now clearly I have disassembled the most of the part of the motor. You see the piston also have some dirt inside. These need to be cleaned. I will try to open them all by 3 bolts. And now it's clearly that the motor brush has is worn out, as you see here. Here is worn than this side. Okay, and during the 20 years of running, all the remaining parts and the powder of the remnants of the motor brush, the carbon is being deposits inside the motor, which caused a lot of problem also here. And this is all carbon. So I tried to clean it now, and I think I'm going to replace also the motor brush with a new one, and also clean this side. I will clean it with some sort of something very good, so I will rub it. So I will make sure that the motors are having a good contact here, so the motor can turn on. Okay. Also, I'm going to check if there is a leak inside around the motor, so we don't want any leak. Let's see. To test the Airmatic compressor now, after cleaning it and lubricating it, we need a big battery, 100 amperage, connected to power supply. As you see here, we are attempting to test it now. As I told you before, on the right side is the positive and on the left side is the negative. Make sure the input pipe, there is no leak inside it, because if there is some leak, this will grab some dust into the control valve. Okay, I have seen some people have some damage on their pipe from here or from here, so this is a good one. There doesn't have any leaks or cracks inside it, so this is very important to make sure also this one is not having any leaks, because if it's having some leaks, it will grab some dust into the control valve. Now we install the pressure bar watch, so we would like to know how much is PSI the compressor will generate. Make sure to wear eyewear to protect yourself from sudden on any incident change. Safety is #1 priority. We will fix the leak now again and make a test again. We will now try to get 10 bar measurement. If it's got 10 bar, it's okay with us. We don't want to continue. Six, no? 6. كويس.
سلاك حميت.
Hmm?
سلاك حميت.
It's good, it's good. As you see now, there is no malfunction for the active body control, and now I can turn off also the comfort mode. Okay, as you see, there is no error at all. The problem has disappeared. And also I noticed the car is functioning very good at the bumps, and when I drive it in the street, it's very comfort now through driving. I think because the Airmatic pump is working functionally now.